A burger unlike we've ever made before right here.
Or ever tried before.
Or tried before.
Tasted this, yes.
We've been wanting to do a cook for years using the potato sticks, and I knew the Cuban Frita was the one we would do. We finally got around to doing it.
Yep.
It was unique and different than I expected. Smells incredible.
It does.
You want to see how we made this on the griddle? Stick around while we dig in. I'd eat that potato fry. Don't care. We gotta let these cool for just a minute, so we're gonna tell you how we made this, the Cuban Frita. My wife is half Cuban. I was talking to my mother-in-law. She said, man, it has been years since I've had them. It was a street food originally in Cuba. When the government changed, policies changed in Cuba. Unfortunately, a lot of those street vendors went away. This kind of seemed to die down, but in Miami in the 1950s, somebody brought it back, and it's been a staple in Miami and South Florida since that time. Anyways, the Cuban Frita, Brett, talk about it real quick. We went in and we made the sauce first. Talk about the sauce. It's a special sauce.
All right, so I'll try to remember most of what went in the sauce. We started with a cup of water, half cup or a quarter cup of vinegar. We added some ketchup, some smoked paprika. We used cumin, oregano. We added salt and pepper ourselves.
And also granulated garlic.
Granulated garlic, and then brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Kind of help thicken it up and sweeten it up as well. And then some love on the hot sauce.
Yeah, a little bit of love on.
Well.
Yeah, this is Crystal hot sauce. It's what we had available right there, so we grabbed that. Mixed this all up. It was a little thin, so we just kind of adjusted to taste. It was really good. This is very savory. The way I look at it is like a more savory, more elegant ketchup.
It's like a
really
ketchup
good.
meets a barbecue sauce.
Yeah, because you get that smokiness from the paprika. We threw in a lot more paprika because we loved it so much. Then it was time to make this ground pork and ground beef mixture.
Yeah, so we have 80-20 ground beef, and we have this ground pork. We just mixed them as 50-50 as we could. We had a little less than a pound of beef. And then we added a lot of the same seasonings that we put into the sauce, minus the ketchup and minus the liquids.
And this time it did call for minced garlic, so 6 cloves of garlic. So we had this garlic paste, which is a great substitute for us. And then, yeah, like Brett said, so we threw in some cumin, some smoked paprika, and oregano in this one as well. Salt and pepper, and just kind of mix this all together. Now, the recipe originally calls for onion as part of the mixture, and also sliced onions after. Brett, do we have any onions?
We did not. We ran out yesterday cooking.
Yep. So for some of the other cooks we were doing, so we thought, you know, it's okay. We'll pass on the onions for this one because we just wanted to get to the griddle.
Some people don't like onions anyway.
Right. So Brett formed these into balls. These are balls. These are about a third pound each. We were able to get 7 large. Did we end up with 8?
We ended up with 6 large and 2
smaller. So we got these cooked up. We got the first 4 here, and it was the recipe we saw did it kind of smash burger style. It was not intended to be smash burger, but we did smash style because it just worked to get these in the perfect form.
And I didn't smash all the way hard.
Right.
I just smashed, put a little bit of weight on there, and it held nice.
And unfortunately, we were filming for short form content and TikTok, so I did not get the flip where we got to see the crust. That was great.
I was worried that we weren't going to get a crust. Boy, did we.
We got a crust, and it was really good. Oh, by the way, we put some sauce. So after it started cook, we laid some sauce down, let it cook in the sauce, flipped it, added more sauce, and then after that sauce was done, we added the cheese, and boy did we. That cheese is so good. And that was it. So then it's time to build. So if we had onions, we would have laid onions on the bottom bun. We didn't, so we laid the patty. On top of the patty, we did this heaping pile of these potato sticks, and then added just a little bit more of that sauce. We didn't want to make it too soggy, therefore we only added the sauce we felt we needed. It brings us to this moment where it is time to dig in, and this does look absolutely incredible, right?
Yes.
And like we say, Brett, it can look amazing.
This does look amazing.
But like we say, it can smell amazing.
I know we mentioned, can I get a smell?
Smell, yeah, you can.
Yeah, I can.
But if this doesn't taste amazing, this is all for naught.
So
integrity's holding there. All right, okay. Oh, and by the way, normally Cuban buns, we didn't have Cuban buns, so we just went with a regular butter roll from Nature's Own. There we go. Cheers. I'll eat to that, my brother. And Kenzie over there.
Oh, wow. That is delicious.
That, I can taste the smokiness of the paprika. Now, by the way, it does call for sweet paprika as well. We didn't have it.
It's like you're getting your burgers and fries at the same time.
For real. I'm a saucy guy, so I think I'd want a little bit more of the extra sauce on top.
I think the onion would be absolutely delicious on this.
Onion would bring it home too, and I think making the sauce a little bit thicker too. Make it more like a ketchup consistency. The only reason I'm saying that is because, like, man, I want that juice and I can know it's there.
That's good.
You ought to try this one. It really is good. Or if you have other suggestions or maybe something we missed, if you've done the Cuban Frita as well. I loved it though, man. That was great.
Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
Such a refreshing, and
Not the last time we'll make this.
I like the beef pork mix. It's really good.
It's very tender. Obviously, see
Very
this burger.
tender and soft.
Not dry. It's a nice juicy burger too.
Man, I know we always get together, cook, we do all these things, but why do we get together for all this?
Because when you're with the Waltwins,
Your family.